There, sige.
Uh-huh.
Hanapin mo yung mga, hindi dyan, dito.
Oh.
Hanapin mo, there. Doon, hanapin mo. Ilagay mo sa bag. He's scared. Huh? What's that? He say something. Ano yan, nak? Rabbit. He said bet.
Rabbit. Ah, rabbit. Huh?
Oh, where's the egg?
Oh.
Hoy! Egg, ilagay mo. Yahoo! Oh, isa pa.
What about this one? Ew!
What did he say?
Huh?
Hoy!
Oh, we're
Hoy!
stopping for a snack now.
Wait muna. Damputin mo muna yung isa. How about the rabbit? Oh. Oy, ilagay mo si rabbit sa bag mo. Kukunin niya ni Jess. Si rabbit. Ah, nag-snacks na agad. He's scared. It looks real.
Oh,
Oy,
are you gonna have that?
aray ko, sakit na dyan ko.
Can I have this one? Johnny boy?
Oy, busy na kumain. Oy, nag-snacks. Snack. Very good. How about yummy? Yummy. Ah, okay. How about this? How about this? Huh? Hoy, kunin mo muna to. Hoy. 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 Hoy, jadi boy. This one. Hoy. He's not interested with the big one. Aray ko. Nak, here. This one. This one. This one. Oh.
Is this one daddy's?
Oh.
Oh, is this one daddy's?
How about this one?
Daddy?
Chocolate din ito, nak. This one is chocolate. This one is chocolate. This one, big. Lagay mo dun sa karton mo. Sa bag mo, paper bag. Come on na.